So we are now on example number 4, and I'm going to now have my space, move my paper so that I can work example number 4 on the other side of my paper. So we always need, when we have some sort of bearings or construction, we always need to start with a sketch. So let's start with our sketch. Now let's read it step by step. The bearing of B from A is 50 degrees and the distance between the 2 points is 18 kilometers. So let's start sketching that. From which point? From A. So let me draw A. Let me draw the note of A. The note of A, I like to draw it using a ruler to make sure I do it vertically upwards. And let me just very roughly draw the 50 degrees, which is 050 degrees. And this will be point B. For the time being, I'm just going to leave it 18 kilometers. I'm not even going to figure out what my scale should be. Next, it's telling me the bearing of C from B is 120, and the distance between the 2 points is 15 kilometers. Well, from which point do I need to continue? From B. So let me draw another note. And it's telling me 120 degrees. So if here is like this is 90 degrees, a little bit more would be 120. So it will be something like this. And this will be point C, and I've got 15 kilometers. Now, the number that goes into both 18 and 15 at the moment that I'm thinking about is the number 3. So 18 division by 3 is 6, and 15 division by 3 is 5. So if I take this 6 centimeters and this 5 centimeters, and that's a good enough length, I can say that for every 1 centimeter, it represents 3 kilometers. Okay, good. Because I just looked at my numbers, 18 and 15, and said which number goes into both of them, and I took it from there. Good. And now let's start drawing it accurately. Let me start from point A. Now I need a bit of space to draw point B, so I'm going to start my point A from here. So this is another reason why it's really good to draw the sketch. So let me draw the note. Let me mark A, and let me, using my protractor, draw the angle 50 degrees. So I'm always moving in a clockwise direction, so with the clock, and my note, my arrows pointed towards the 0, and I continue from there. I place my ruler in line with these 2 points, and I know I have to draw a 6 centimeter line because that is what there is written on my sketch. Okay, and I can label this spot 050 degrees, and here is point B, here is my north, okay, and here's 6 centimeters. And what I didn't do in my sketch is 120 degrees. So let me place again my protractor at the node. I'm going to measure in a clockwise direction, looking at the 0 where my node is pointing towards, and my 120 is here. Now this line is supposed to be 5 centimeters. So I'm going to place my ruler in line with these 2 points, and I'm just going to draw a 5 centimeter line. Okay? And so this angle is 120 degrees, 5 centimeters. And this is point C. Now, it's asking me to find the actual distance between A and C. So if I have to find the actual distance, so distance I need to use the ruler because it's a length. I need to mark using dashed lines the distance I'm calculating. And when I'm using my ruler, I am measuring it as 9 centimeters. But it's asking me for the actual distance. So if before what I did to the kilometers, I divided them by the number 3. So if I have to go back, I need to times it by 3. So I need to do 9 times 3. And the answer is 27 kilometers, girls. So remember, that it might not come 9 centimeters exactly, but 0.2 up or 0.2 down is fine. And that is example number 4. So try example number 5 and let's see how you get on in the next video.